Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use sketch-driven pattern. For this lecture, we will work on the same part that we modified in the last lecture, using curve-driven pattern. Go to Linear Pattern, and click on the drop-down menu. The fifth option on this menu is Sketch-driven pattern. Let's first create the points using which we will drive the pattern. Select the top surface, and sketch. Go to the Sketch Tools, and select the Point command. Now create points as per your requirement. OK. We have created some 6 to 7 points. Now exit from the sketch. We will use these points to create multiple copies of a feature. Go to Linear Pattern, and click on the drop-down menu. Click on Sketch-driven pattern. Under Selections, the sketch is already selected. Then under Features to Pattern, select this extruded cut from the design tree. We can see the preview of how the new features will be placed along the points in the sketch. Select OK. This is how we create multiple copies of features along specific points. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.